Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. All right. Looks like the stream was a little wonky there for a second. Welcome back, everyone. As always, I got Alex here helping me this morning. Drop those tickers and questions into chat. And, whoops, let me, I just want... Yep, it's working. All right. All right, welcome back. So, a lot like last Monday, I think your focus should definitely be on these, I call them the junk oil and gas. I believe we talked about this list last week. And I mean, would have been Tuesday, I guess, because the market was closed Monday. But, IMPP was basically my number one every day. INDO, they're the same. IMPP and INDO the same. I think that should be the focus. And day trading is incredible right now. I mean, listen, I get it. It's kind of tough out there. It's really tough out there swing trading right now. But these are the times when you can, make hay while the sun shines day trading. So, Chulu would love to hear thoughts on ELF. It's one of those things like ELF. I mean, it's a trade, expanding into Austin, Las Vegas, blah, blah, blah. You could trade the break of Friday night's highs. I mean, but this is just one of those situations where I think, and listen, I might be wrong, but I think that as a day trader, you should be focused on the junk oil and gas. And I'm sorry to be repetitive. I think I already said it 3 times, 2 minutes into this video. But, I mean, hey, trade a 280 break if you want. But I think that what we try and do is we try and put as many probabilities, as many odds in our favor. And I just don't think anyone cares about ELF today. So, I don't know. And again, I mean, listen, if I'm wrong, feel free to rub it in. So, but I think you are focused in the wrong spot. So, and hey, again, if ELF ends up being the best runner of the day, and INDO and IMPP and all these other oil and gas and cybersecurity, the cybersecurity, the oil and gas, they all fall apart, rub it in. Right? Feel free to rub it in. All right? MULN. Poorly timed press release. And it's EVs, it's like, it's 20 million float. I don't know, And again, I'm not trying to be Debbie Downer, okay? Jeez, that's a brutal chart. Brutal chart. Nobody cares about, who cares about EVs on February 20th? Now, listen. I still think EVs are going to be one of the hot sectors of 2022. But today, I don't know. So, trade your dip and rip if you want a crappy setup. So, MULN, trade a dip and rip if you are determined to focus on a mediocre setup. I'm in a great mood. I sound so ornery today. IMPP, thank you. Somebody's asking about IMPP and INDO. There. My attitude is now improved. IMPP. Dip and rip, baby. Woo! 4 million floater. Trading 5 million shares. Gapping up for the 6th day in a row. All kinds of energy uncertainty in the Ukraine and Russia and the U.S. Woo! Thank you. And I'm sure INDO is probably going to be the same. I mean, remember, in my opinion, INDO and IMPP are the same thing. They're just different prices. You know, it's just, they're just junky oil and gas, low float short squeezers. So they're the same. Trade the one you prefer. So then, yeah, the other ones that are interesting. So cybersecurity stuff, you know, we still have all these hacks. So CYRN failed last week. I like a 650 push on CYRN. And then IRNT is from the weekend watch list through 7. So CYRN, 650 in play. IRNT 7 weekend watch, idea intact so far. MBT Russian phone company. POWW, I don't know, this stock. You know, everyone always wants to go to this ammo play. Yeah. BLDP. Like, you know, another EV play, Ballard Power. I mean, a lot of these EV plays are gapping up. It's just, I guess afternoon onlys on these, you know. I wouldn't trust any of these EV plays early, so. But you guys are all asking about them, so. EVs, not sure why today, but afternoon VWAP holds. And listen, that might be confusing. You might be like, wait a minute, Tim, you've said for months that you think EVs are going to be one of the hottest sectors of 2022. I come on pre-market prep and I ask about an EV play, and you yell at me. It's like, what's going on? The point is that we've got, you know, all this saber rattling nuclear power. I mean, all of the energy stuff. Remember, there's only enough buyers, there's only enough traders for like one hot sector at a time, okay? So keep your EVs on watch, set your alerts. You know me, Mr. Optimism. I'm hoping in a week, this whole Ukraine-Russia situation will be massively, you know, less hostile, if that's the right term, and then we can go back to our EVs. So, USWS. There, junky oil and gas. Crap volume, though. Push through 140, 150. Look for, so this is what I would tell you, you know, again, look for the highest volume plays. And for me, you know, it's IMPP. CEI, I still don't like CEI because of the Twitter pump. You know, HUSA, Indo, you know, I would focus on all of these that are trading 5 million, 4 million, you know, versus something trading a couple 100,000 shares. So. MXMG disappeared, probably got delisted, I don't know. Probably got delisted. I mean, understand, listen, that's why you can never swing trade OTCs, MXMG delisted. I mean, yeah, again, I'm not gonna, just remember, that's why I think you're crazy to ever swing trade any pink sheet. They just go away. They die, you know. So Hook. Hook was beautiful last Tuesday, but geez, still hanging around. So again, I'm gonna end on this. It's hanging around, but look at the volume, you know, on Friday. Traded, you know, 2 million shares on Friday. So Hook was amazing last Tuesday morning. Great day trade. So Travis, thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Dang it. They don't have just a short clip of thank you, Travis. Those of you old school Fight Club fans will know what I was looking for when thank you, Travis. Anyway, thank you, Travis. Yes, I'm a dork. That's a really obscure Fight Club reference, by the way. But yes, DWAC is a week open and red to green all week. And I tell you, if this was the only stock you traded last week, you were probably green 3 out of 4 days. You know, if you traded red to greens on DWAC last week, if that was all you did, I think it failed one day. We only had 4 trading days last week, but 3 out of 4 days, it worked. When we talk about probabilities, is that the kind of probability you want to look for? Does that sound good? Sounds good to me. So, all right. I'm going to get out of here. Have an amazing day, everyone. As always, remember, I am live every single day. Alex, if you could drop a link to the StocksToTrade advisory, just on YouTube on Mondays, but I'm still here every day, 8:30 Eastern. The number one, I would say, either IMPP or INDO. And sorry, but I'm going to end as I began. That I think, based on the information we have in front of us, if you're day trading, I really think it should be IMPP, INDO, or other high volume oil and gas plays. Now that may change this afternoon, that may change tomorrow, but based on the information I have in front of me, I think that should be your focus. All right, have an amazing day, everyone, and we will see you next time.